So before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or a gig worker, and you want paid time off, you want sick leave, you want benefits, you want funds transferred to your account this same exact day, there's a brand new company that just launched called Cover, and they're doing a special right now. If you use my link down below, you'll get your first 30 days for free. It does start at $7 a month, but again, if you use my link, you'll get your first 30 days for free. And if you ever get into an accident, temporarily deactivated, hospitalized, there's a bunch of reasons. If you get into an emergency, they will replace your income of 80% and you don't need to pay that money back. They even help drivers get reactivated who have been deactivated. Again, use the link down below to get your first 30 days for free. If you drive for Uber, Lyft, or any gig platforms, you need to at least check it out, at least sign up and get your first 30 days for free by accepting my gift. And now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. This is the #1 rideshare YouTube channel in the world. Thank you all for 45 mother effing subscribers, baby. We don't cuss on here, we keep it family friendly, but seriously guys, thank you for 45,000 subscribers. We are the #1 channel because this is the hub, okay? The Rideshare Hub, not that kind of hub, okay? I know you're probably gonna go watch some other hub after this video, but hey, this is the Rideshare Hub. Speaking of which, we just launched a second YouTube channel called the Finance Hub, another hub, guys. I am so excited. I'm spending so much time on this brand new channel. It would help me out so much if you not only thumbs up this video, but went over to my other channel, the Finance Hub. I'm breaking down my income on there. I just made a video breaking down my income streams. I'm making videos on there explaining my true passion of personal finance. This channel, the Rideshare Hub, you know, I'm kind of graduating out of rideshare and gig. You know, I'm still going to be talking about it. I still utilize it for money, and I'm actually still going to be talking about rideshare and gig over on the Finance Hub, but money specifically related. So videos like this will stay on the Rideshare Hub, and then other videos about money and how to increase your income, pay off debt. You guys might have heard me talk about how I paid off $5,000 worth of credit card debt utilizing rideshare and gig. So, you know, I'm gonna talk about that kind of stuff over there. So anyways, without further ado, let's smash the thumbs up on this video. Please, that would help me out tremendously because we have a huge update in today's video. The California Court of Appeals just ordered Uber and Lyft to make all of their drivers employees within 30 days. And in my opinion, they're gonna shut down. So essentially, Uber and Lyft is gonna shut down in 30 days in California. Why? Because they've already said that they don't have the ability to make everyone employees. So if Prop 22 doesn't pass, they're doomed, bro. They are gonna shut down for, well, maybe not for good, but at least until they can rehire you. I mean, I think they're gonna, how do you hire somebody? They have to go through an interview process, right? Isn't that the law? You're gonna have to show up to your driver interview, Uber driver interview. So anyways, guys, let's get into it. Let's get into this video. This is a huge update, so let's get into it. I'm gonna click on Safari in 3, 2, 1. Click, so here we go. California Court of Appeal, Uber, baby. Crazy stuff, guys, crazy stuff. Shout out to Starbucks for the sponsor of today's video. Look at this, Uber and Lyft need to make drivers employees. Appeal court rules. This is on CNET. California has become ground zero for gig worker status as a major lawsuit and a nearly 200 million ballot measure campaign heat up. You guys, do you guys have those stickers on your car? I know I don't right now. I'm not driving rideshare. You will not find me driving a 45-minute ride with a mask on my face. I'm sorry. I'm not an anti-masker, but something about driving an hour in your car with a mask on just does not seem safe at all. In the latest of a back and forth battle between the state of Cali and Uber and Lyft, an appeals court ruled Thursday evening that an injunction issued against the two ride-hailing companies over the status of their drivers was an appropriate measure. So, with that being said, guys, there's a lot of wonky political BS going on, and I'm sure you don't really care about the details. You just want to know, Dylan, what's up? What's going on? Can you just give me the rundown? Because I hate politics. Trust me, guys, I hate politics just as much as you, but I gotta do my research so I can understand and tell you guys everything. All you guys who don't like politics out there. Trust me, I know some of you guys really like politics because you're commenting Trump 2020, Biden 2020, and all my videos have nothing to do with politics. So I hear you, I hear you. Basically what's going on is about a year ago, California government introduced a bill called Assembly Bill 5, and they said, all right, all gig workers and all companies in California need to make their workers employees if they're performing essential work of the company. And everyone was like, well, I wonder what a company is that a lot of their workers are independent contractors that are performing essential work of the company. What about Uber? And so everyone was like, it passed. Governor Gavin Newsom signed off on it. Everyone's like, well, dang, all drivers gonna be employees. And then Uber, the legal guy, the head of legal, what the heck is he called? Chief Legal Officer. Why do they have such, whatever, they have bad names. The Chief Legal Officer, I think that's what Chief of Legal Defense or something of Uber. Tony West, I think his name is. He essentially said, don't quote me on this because he is a lawyer, so don't come after me, Tony. He essentially said, I'm appraising your words, okay? Don't quote me on this, but he said something like, Uber drivers are not core to our business model, so the law doesn't apply to us. And everyone was like, drivers were PO'd, right? As imagine you're doing work. I mean, everybody knows, well, if Uber drivers aren't driving for Uber, how's Uber gonna be successful? Uber's like, we're a technology platform, okay? Uber drivers aren't core to our business model. And regardless, so whatever. But then the court ordered, and then a regulatory agency called CPUC, California Utilities Public Commission, blah, 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 whatever, said, yes, it does apply to you. And then the court said Uber and Lyft have like 7 days or something, or like 11 days to make their drivers employees. And then they gave them an extension, then Uber appealed it, they got denied, and blah, 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 blah. Now they created Prop 22 to allow the public to vote. And now we're finally caught up. This appeals court finally said that that they have to make their drivers employees within 30 days. So the only way that this essentially won't happen, guys, is if, look at this, a Lyft spokeswoman said, Prop 22 is more urgent than ever. So Uber and Lyft did respond. That's what Lyft said. So the injunction stems from a lawsuit against Uber and Lyft. Not only is this a victory for tens of thousands of Uber and Lyft drivers working to put a roof over their heads and food on the table, this ruling is about fairness, making it clear that these companies must stop shifting their costs onto the taxpayers while their CEOs profit. So running a company off of low wage contract work, 1099, is they have a huge tax advantage on doing that rather than paying them as employees. Trust me, I'm a business owner myself. So yeah, it's crazy, but like, we've had enough of the threats from Uber and Lyft to shut down our right to paid sick leave, unemployment insurance, workers' compensation, and a living wage. Steve Greger, ride-hail driver, gig workers rising. So the court gave the companies at least a 30-day stay without requiring any changes to driver status. So yeah, guys. Oh yeah, but basically you can still vote yes on Prop 22 in California, and they could still appeal this again. So we'll see. Uber said they might appeal it. But yeah, guys, that's a big update as of today. Please thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. And also, Uber and Lyft could be ending in 30 days, so stay tuned for that. Honestly, if you rely on Uber for income right now in California, honestly, start looking for another job. I'm not joking you. Do it now before it's too late and you're stuck without any income. Thanks for watching today's video, and go over to the Finance Hub to watch me talk about money. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye.